This is the biscuit bone. This is stone. It's not easy at all. And that is why I'm saying you should try and subscribe to the two channels. People in Master Barber's Hotel, some have not subscribed to Master Barber's Comedy TV. That is why I always like to join the live together, so that people in Master Barber's Hotel are splitting in your fingers. Now, after this one now, I've shown you the kerosene. I've shown you a cover. Excuse me a minute. The customers coming in and out, please, I'm very sorry. I'm just leaving you anyhow, please. I'm very sorry. Now, we want to start with the Starless clipper blade. You want to start with the Starless clipper blade. You want to start with the Starless. Now, as usual, as I used to tell you, this you use your left hand to pick the oil. You see it? You apply the oil on the surface of the stone, of the plate you want to use. You apply the oil. Then you use your finger to rub the surface. You see the way I'm doing it? And you may be lucky your own plate may not be as wide as this one. This one will consume many oil. You may be lucky to get small one, but this one is wider. This one is wider. Then after, this is our biscuit bone. This is our biscuit bone. Then you now use it to rub the surface. You see the way I'm using the biscuit bone to rub the surface. Use it in this way. Then after, you see that I use right hand because this one is not having oil. That is why I use right hand. Then I use left hand to pick the kerosene. You now apply the kerosene on the surface. You see it in this way. I use left hand to still return it back. I'm using left finger again to spread it all over the surface of the flat plate. You see the way I'm doing it? You see the way I'm doing it? Then you take another rag to clean your fingers. Now, you position your blade at the angle of 45 degrees as usual. You can see, you can zoom out to see the screen very well. You can zoom out. If you cannot see it very well, you zoom out for you to see it properly. You zoom out, please, for you to see it very well. You zoom out for you to see it. Now, you position your thumb as usual, the way you're supposed to put it. Then we go 10 times. That is 2 and 4, 10 times for here. Then, the other side, you sharpen it. That is 2 and 4, 10 times too. This is where I'm saying you must have to know how to study the inner surface or the inner surfaces of the blade of the plate you are using. Now, you can zoom out to see the inside of this clipper blade. Everything has shined across. All the surfaces, the front and the back, everything has shined across. You watch it in this way. You watch it in this way, everything has shined across. Can you see it? Everything has shined across. Watch carefully. Complete the whole face has shined across. No area is left untouched. You see it? No area is left untouched. Then if you want to drop your blade down, don't drop it like this at the back. But once you sharpen it, you see shining all across. It's shining. Everything is okay. If you still want to resharpen it again, then you apply your Kerosene, only kerosene now, only kerosene. Don't let it be too much. Don't let it be too much. Don't let it be too much. You place it back again. You go 10 times one side. You go 10 times the other side too. Whatever thing you do for here, you do for here too. You see it? Then we pick it up, we clean. That is why I'm telling you, this one is very easy to do. A goat will do it. Not too much pressure, lightly. Just press it lightly. Can you see? Then I will take it closer to each camera. Kí ló ń fẹ́? Ta ló yọjú yẹn? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń fẹ́? Kí ló ń fẹ́? So let me get it closer to the camera for you to see it properly. Everything has shine across. That is Master Barber's Hotel now. You can see it. Let's take it to Master Barber's community. This is Master Barber's Hotel. Let's take it closer. You see it. Everything has shine across. Now, I want to go for bottom clipper blade. As usual, as I used to tell you, watch the inside very well. You check the inner surface of the blade you want to sharpen before you start your job. Now, you have treated the surface, you still need to retreat it again. You use your left hand to pick the kerosene. The biscuit bone is still on the surface. You see it like this. You see it like this. Then you put it on top. Let's start from here. From the center here. That is 10 times for one side. Then you use the rag to clean the back of the blade. The treatment has split on top. Can you see the way I clean it? You clean your tongue, you clean your fingers. Now you go for the second side. Kí lẹ̀ ń fẹ́ tẹ̀ yọjú? Wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀bù abẹ́ wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀bù náà. No kò ní camera o. Can you see? You pick your blade, then you watch. Yeah. Can you see? Only one time. This one self has shine across. Zoom out for you to see it. Let me get it closer to Master Barber's Comedy TV. Can you see it now? You see it? This one is confirmed. Once you get your biscuit bone, try to get your biscuit bone. Then I will give you about 3 methods to sharpen on a flat plate. This one is first method. So the next one coming now, I'll give you the second one. You see it? This one is off. You can see it now. As I'm saying, the network has gone on Master Barber's Hotel. Now, we put the blade on. Yeah, we can see now. You can see it now. You can see the carbon. You see the carbon. You see the carbon here too. Then when you look at this side, you see stainless here. You see stainless here. You see this clipper blade. I've been using it to fashion out the stone before. So there's an error there. This side is down. The center of this clipper blade is totally down. It's totally down. But when you watch where the small blades are, the black carbon covers it. It covers it. Reach here, reach here. This center is totally down. As I've sharpened it now, you see when you put it under the clipper engine, it will cut here fine. The low cut will work, the middle cut will work, the skin cut will work. You see the upper clipper blade, you see the bottom clipper blade, but this area is totally down. I use this clipper blade to fashion out the surface. All these clipper blades here, that is what I'm using them for. So as I can sharpen this one on the surface of this flat bar, and it can sharpen this type of clipper blade. No type of clipper blade you put on top that will not sharpen. You see it? The inner surface of the small clipper blade, there is carbons there, round, but the back of it, there's no small blade here. You see, this one doesn't mean anything. All this area is down. I'm using this blade to fashion out the surface of the stone before. So when you watch it carefully, this system now, even a goat, if a goat practice it, is going to get it right. If fowl, anybody that has tried it is going to get it right. So far, you look for a very flat iron. You look for a very flat iron, then you look for biscuit bone. This catalyst. This is the catalyst I use to sharpen on the surface. So you look for catalyst. When you look for catalyst, then you look for kerosene. You look for the other. This is catalyst. This is our kerosene. This is our oil. Then this is the clipper blade we have sharpened. You see it in this way. These are the clipper blades that are sharpened. This is our pointer. You see it in this way. That is why I'm saying try as much as you can to get these materials for yourself. Yeah, you'll be using this one to sharpen your clipper blade. You will be using this one to sharpen your clipper blade. Then another tutorial is still coming on this one again. Another tutorial is still coming on this one again. I will not use biscuit bone in the coming one. I will use another materials to sharpen on the surface of the flat bar. Do you understand what I'm really saying, sir, ma? Another tutorial is still coming. That is why I want many people to benefit from my videos. Yeah, please, in the name of Almighty God, let me share the video out. Let's bail many barbers, many stylists, many proprietors out of this problem, so that they can be able to sharpen the clipper blade by themselves. Yeah, they can be able to sharpen clipper blade by themselves. I'm telling you sincerely. Help me share the program out in the name of Almighty God. Help me share it out so that many people can see the program. Many people can see what is going on in Master Barber's Hotel, in Master Barber's Comedy TV. Yes, many people can see it. Many people can see it. That is why I'm begging you all, try to help me please in the name of Almighty God to help me share the program out. Help me share it out. Help me share the program out so that many people can see it throughout the world. Yeah, if you don't know how to using the stone, this one is very, very easy for everybody to use. It is very, very easy for everybody to use. I'm telling you sincerely, very, very easy for everybody. Get the materials ready. Very, very simple thing to buy. Then the next one coming now, we are going to use another materials. We are going to use another materials to sharpen the clipper blade on the flat plate. Flat plate. We are going to use another. We are going to use another style again on the same flat. Mustafa, on the same flat plate. We are going to use another method. This is number one method I use now. Let me share this program out. Let me share this film out. Let many people. So please, in the name of Almighty God, let me share this program out. I want many people to see this live. I want many people to see this program. Because in Master Hotel now, the network has gone. They are not watching it on Master Barber's Hotel. That is why I'm begging you all to subscribe to Master Barber's Comedy TV 2. If you only subscribe to Master Barber's Hotel, so also subscribe to Master Barber's Comedy TV so that you can get full access to see all my YouTube videos in Master Barber's Comedy TV and Master Barber's Hotel. Yeah, that is very, very fine. If you can subscribe to the two channels, you will find everything easy, because any live going on, any video going on, any shot going on, and Master Barbers Comedy TV, Master Barbers Hotel, so far you have subscribed to the two, you have gotten the access to see all. Yeah, it's not more than that. You have gotten the access to see all. You have gotten the access to see all. Yeah. Let me still remind you again, people that are newly joining the program, you are a new viewer or existing viewer that did not subscribe to my channel. You did not subscribe at all to my channel. You did not subscribe to my YouTube channels, Master Barbers Hotel, you did not subscribe. Master Barbers Comedy TV, you did not subscribe. What you are doing from the past is from the stone, super hard manual sharpening stone. How can we identify stone? What is stone itself? Yeah, what is super hard manual sharpening stone? It was super hard manual sharpening stone that brought all this method out. Yeah, it is from the super hard manual sharpening stone. Everybody wants to become a master. Everybody wants to become a professional. Everybody wants to become real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, using super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen different type of clipper blade, using different type of super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen any different type of clipper blades in the barber industry. Now, it is very easy to do. That is where we have started. That is where we have started our tutorial. What is super hard manual sharpening stone? Yeah, a stone is an object used to surface to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally, either for animal or for human being. Yeah, that is stone. Then, how can we identify original super hard manual sharpening stone? By putting kerosene on top. That is the best way to test for original super hard manual sharpening stone. Then once you have got the original super hard manual sharpening stone, how are you going to fashion out the sharpening surface on the super hard manual sharpening stone? We have give tutorial on that one. Yes, I still want to give another tutorial on that one again, because many people find it very, very difficult. Many people find it difficult to sharpen clipper blade on the stone, and many people still find it easy to sharpen clipper blade on the stone. Now, to assist the few ones that have not getting the access to sharpen the clipper blade by themselves on the stone, that is why I'm giving out different type of tutorials to assist everybody, in order that all of us can become master in sharpening of the clipper blade using of super hard manual sharpening stone. Yeah, it is very important. That is why I'm giving the tutorial one by one, so that everybody, all of us, can be able to know how to sharpen the clipper blade on the super hard manual sharpening stone. Then, when you are fashioning out the sharpening surface on your stone, how are you going to place your upper and the bottom clipper blade for sharpening? We did tutorial on that one. I have 3 different ways of positioning our upper and the bottom clipper blade on the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone.